Every time.
Ah, there is still mouse shit on the lid of this brother machine today. Other places are still within the normal dirt range. After washing the vehicle preview certificate first, last maintenance.
Fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Hang for 2 minutes. Fully soften the body sediment. Pre-wash flush is best flushed from bottom to top. Can tell where it leaks. Cleaning PA Dry Bureau 110. Wipe the vehicle. Wipe the side first and then the front, because the side foam flows faster. And then the front. Flush. Let's rinse from the highest point to both sides first. Can improve our efficiency. Hanukkah aircraft powder. In fact, you can directly use taboo wine for decontamination and maintenance here. You can also go to the sun pattern. Is decontamination used in the video? Finally, add Q coins and it will be completed. The difference between the covers on both sides is quite large. If you use this one, you can also remove these sun patterns. Can you see the sun pattern on the brother's car? Welcome to the comment area. Let's discuss it together. Like and follow, don't get lost.
Nice!